Hi there! Today I will install a Suunto diving compass on the kayak. A compass can be installed in several ways in a kayak. Of course you can have it just handheld, or you can make some installation to have it more permanently installed in the kayak. My thinking here is that I want to have something that doesn't change the shape of the kayak deck, although I will have it more permanently installed. So I will make an opening in the deck and install the compass under the opening. In that way, if you are in a rescue situation or something and you want to sweep your arms or legs over the deck, you will not get stuck in the compass or any housing of the compass that is extending above the deck. Instead, it will be flush with the deck. I think that is a good solution. First, some testing. Will it be possible to mount the compass under the deck? Can I cover the hole with polycarbonate? Will it be visible from the cockpit? So where should it be placed? I need to mount it forward of the opening. Now I know what the goal is and I can start the design process. Do not try to cut polycarbonate with a saw, it cracks. A hot knife works better. I leave the covering film on for protection. With the belt sander I will trim the piece. This is actually terrifying, having spent hours on the deck. But you can't make an omelette without cracking some eggs. This will do. So I prepare for epoxy work. If you do this yourself, I think you should leave the cover on until the surface layers are in place. Here I remove it for the filming process. I put a temporary holder in place that will be replaced by a wide elastic band later. This is what the final result looks like. And if lit by a lamp at night. Or without. This is all for this time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.